Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the cursor where the Excel content must appear. This matters for layout and flow. Open Insert, choose Object, then create from File. This is the fastest route. If you want live updates, make sure to check Link to File. If not, Embed to freeze the data. Once done, resize the frame by dragging corners so the content stays readable. These first steps let you control whether Word holds a static image or a dynamic workbook tied to Excel. Once the object is in place, double-click it to enter Excel editing mode within Word. You can run formulas, adjust ranges, and edit charts without leaving the document. Make sure to use Excel's ribbon commands to format numbers, apply conditional formatting, or refresh pivot tables when linked. After edits, click outside to return to Word, and then set text wrapping. Choose tight or square for inline flow or behind text for layered design. These middle steps combine Excel power with Word layout control. To finish, confirm whether the object should remain linked. Right-click and update link to pull the latest Excel data, or convert to a static copy using Paste Special if you need portability. Make sure page breaks and margins still work. Resize or move the object to prevent content shifts. If something goes wrong, a quick fix is to reinsert as an image or check Word's compatibility mode. These steps solve most display glitches and ensure your document looks consistent across different computers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.